So I hope you agree I didn't overpromise. The new Cupra Leon, whether it's a sports tourer or the Cupra Leon 5-door here as a hybrid version, is what I said, the king of Leons. A car with a stunning design, whether sports tourer or the 5-door in particular for me. A very difficult job, I think, of Alejandro Misionero and his team to come up with an even better design for the Cupra Leon, but I've done that. I think it's a lot more original Cupra and a much more Cupra DNA in the design. Inspired by the racetrack and our race drivers, I said before. Also, for the first time now with plug-in hybrids, the 3 plug-in hybrids across the whole range, the plug-in hybrids in both of these cars, and big technical improvements in terms of a stiffer chassis and the faster DSG. There's a lot more to talk about with the car, a lot more detail, but I think our team of experts are in a better position to do that. I'm sure they can explain it.
Well, as you can see, it's a car that has improved its aerodynamic efficiency. We have more downforce, and we also managed to get less drag. We managed to also to reduce the weight in order to have lighter suspension components with better kinematics, and with this, we managed also to reduce these inertias that we have on the car. So we have a better weight distribution. About the engine, we have a new 2-liter turbo engine with 340 horsepower and 410 Newton-meter torque. That gives us a very good acceleration and through the whole range of RPMs. And all the electronics are made in-house with our engineers just nearby. So this gives us very good performances. We have a 260 kilometers per hour top speed, and the acceleration from 0 to 100 is around 4.5 seconds. So I can say that we have a car that is ready to compete in the upcoming TCR championships, and believe me, I'm sure with a very, very good results. So now that's about that car. Matthias, can you tell us about electric racing cars?
Sure. Good evening, everybody. Pleasure to see so many of you here. The first 100% electric Cupra race car is also with us here tonight. So please welcome the new Cupra e-Racer. This car has 680 horsepower, nearly 1,000 Newton-meter of torque. It does 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds, 0 to 200 in 8.2 seconds, and a top speed of 270. For me, this is a lot of impressive facts, and I think it's cool. Remember, it's rear-wheel drive. While electric power is going to be one of the core pillars for Cupra's motorsport activities, all the engineers at Cupra have been developing this car so that we will have to transmit a completely new experience to the racetrack. Yesterday, I was in Paris, and for the presentation of the new pure E-TCR-Series. First, this year, we will do some demo races and some promotion. And later on, we will also go racing in 2021, where it will be 8 races. I must say, I'm really excited to be part of this. And the first event we will go is in Goodwood, in the famous hill climb in middle of July. And after, there will also be some other events. And especially excited I am to team up with you as a team at Jordi.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.